as hot as we were before. Camelback Toyota sucks. Yeah. Well, I've never been to that Toyota dealership, but is there anything like mine? All right, here we go. Oh, here we go, boys. Woo! That looks terrible. Oh, this looks terrible. See, you don't want to do a full order right away. See how I tried to do that order? Yeah. Meds is popping up. I'm going to go look at SPRC maybe. No. No. It just doesn't look that great right now. I'm trying to see if we get the rip up through high day here. We're definitely not getting those quick rips. Meds will probably have to be what we watch. Not vibing with what's going on here. $900 shares, but straight into resistance. There we go. Didn't even fill my full order there. No, I'm not going to go to 2,700 shares. Maybe 1,800. Max. Oh my gosh. It failed there a little bit. I want this back over 677. Shoot. That failed. It's one of those days. That failed. Wow. I thought it was going to go back over 677, but it started to stall, so I had to. That sucks. We still have meds. The pattern just looked a little, I don't know, light volume-ish. That's what it did. Ah. Oh, frick. I got out of rhythm on this one, down $200 on it. Kind of pissed about it. That bid. Totally drops. That was a pretty nice pop there, though. Can't discount that. I lost kind of more than I wanted to on this garbage. Oh, meds. Yeah, I'm not so sure. That's not so sure about that one. Hmm. Not having so much luck with that one. I'm gonna go back to Lunar. It's the only one that's maybe it's a little risky. Oh, there the bid came in. High. See if we get a little bit of a rip here. See, as soon as you sell like that, then they yeah, we got my money back there. Probably should have held it a little bit longer. This thing's a little bit kind of almost like a grinder, it feels. Meds back down. Well, this is too bad. SBRC was looking kind of good, and then I got $800. Market has cooled off quite a bit. You picked her up at 9. Oh no, 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 no! Don't buy this. He picked her up at 9. I know we got buying pressure down here for some reason. This is actually was looking like a good trade for a second. It was. Darn it, that was a $500 trade. I should have taken market. That was a $500 trade. Just keep an eye on this SPRC. Nice. Nice. I don't see any stocks breaking out, so the hyper scalping 50-50 can't really do right now. Right into a bigger seller here. I'm probably going to get smoked on this. I'm going to cut it. That was the right call. I didn't want to cut it. But I only lost 1 penny? What? Very favorable on the fill on the exit there with a market order. According to this, I only sold for a penny loss. That's very, you know, some stocks are like that. The way they fill. But I don't know if it's the market makers. Trying to see if we get this to rip up through 590. It's not very strong, but we do get surges of buying. Okay. Sissy. What's the float on Sissy? Don't take a shower. And don't run the water break. Okay, SBRC. Let's see if we can get something off the bottom here. Meds has failed. You can tell this Tuesday has been a total change from last week's momentum. Five minutes kind of coming up here. I don't have a good entry though. I figured. This is where I expect green volume to come in. Apparently green volume is coming in. The 580 is key. If we break that, we might be taking off. Selling into the buying pressure. Stalled out right there, so I'm out. Yeah, this market is not forgiving. Can't be an idiot in this market. I'm an idiot. I just was an idiot. They said, don't be an idiot. Then I just go buy some random dip. Lunar, I picked her up at 9. I rode her up. What the? What the heck's going on in here, Mamba? I rode her up. Okay, good. I thought for a second I was going to have to call the police. Sounds like we're all good. 55 likes already. Good, good, good. Just took a $100 loss there. You know, the market's... Hold on here, boys. Are we going to get a change of direction here? Buy high. I regret this trade. If I could bail on this trade, I would. I'm going to get smoked. Ha ha ha! Possible reversal here. Short stopping out, hopefully. I'm going to try to hold through the chop. Yeah. Short stopping out here. Sold 2,700 on the ass. They're waiting for a breakout to the... one more candle breakout. It's a little choppy as heck, but I'm going to try to hold because this is nice volume, and I don't want to have to get back in. 16 seconds. Hopefully it holds. Frickin' heck. I sold half, but I still have half. I'm going to try to hold it. Big sellers are coming in. Gosh darn me. I have to bail. God dang it. That sucks. See? Great example of what happens when you try to hold for the bigger move. Dang. Dang, bro. Trying to see if we get back up. My idea is up through here, but the fact that we failed back there, that could mean the end. I do see meds coming back. I do see meds. I got a break-even exit on that. Looks like meds halted up. Every time I go over to trade meds, I see that it's like halted. If this would have taken off here, it'd be up like 4 grand. It failed on me. I still think we're gonna get I still think we might get a nice rip on this yet. I think it looks a little weak right now. Five-minute doesn't look so good. I have to be careful of that. Oh. It's like 20-cent spreads on this. Unless I'm able to get a dip. Don't want it. I want to see what the resumption price on this will be. 11.77 so far. That's likely to change over the next couple minutes. 11.94, 11.99. $11.85. So it actually looks like it's going to be a positive resump. Possibly a curl here. This pattern's not very good. I'm tempted, but oh, there it does go actually. Excuse me. If I can get the ask to dip, maybe I'll get in. See if we curl up here. Bailing on that. We did not break through. Took another break-even trade. We did not break through how I wanted, so I bailed. I think that was the right call. Yep. Try to get back in on a dip. Oh. Man, there's such a difference in the bid and the ask. Such a spread. I might come to regret this trade. I'm not vibing with this trade. I don't know. Green's coming in here now. Maybe we can get out break even. Ah, shoot. Bailing there at 55. $100 loss. Robbie, W on Lunar. That's not Lunar. That's Sissy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was a nice one. Kind of missed it. A little bit late to the show. I wouldn't be surprised if we get like it to drop and then a quick rebound, back up to who knows what. Maybe not that much, but right now we have a 5-minute bear flag going on here. So if you do trade this, trade it with caution. We got a 5-minute bear flag. It's a little different kind of trading. This, I don't know. This one I haven't liked. It's kind of slow. Let me go for a scalp here. See exactly. It drops like that. And then it comes back up, doesn't it? Uh-oh. Meds. I'm not really a huge fan of meds. SBRC is where I'm making money, so I got to stick with it. That's where I'm making money. My coffee is cold as ice. Yeah, Lunar's garbage. No, Meds is garbage. Give me SBRC. I'm watching it. This is dangerous, but could be lucrative. It's coming down. Let's see what happens here. It looks primed and ready for a breakdown. Primed and ready. You got 64 likes already, guys. That is tremendously amazing. It's getting bought up. Adding to it. Looking for the false breakdown reversal. Selling a little bit to create more volume, but also to lock in profit. Wow. 10,000 share buyer there. It's not looking so good. I got to cut that 3,000. Man. Oh my gosh, it's $700, bro. I'm holding too long. Oh, bro, that hurts. That hurts. I thought it was going to continue ripping. Golly. I was up to 3K. That tells me that I missed out on 700. Bro, that hurts. So sometimes trying to hold for the bigger move is not good. Hey, meds to the moon. Everyone cash in. Every time I look at meds, it's halted. Okay, so sometimes we'll get SBRC could be failing, but sometimes we get a little bit of a dip and then it starts to reverse. The fills in SBRC are actually kind of favorable. Ah, shoot. Lost everything. That might be it. That's too bad. The 5 minutes starting to look a little bit stronger for the sellers now. Kind of had that one chance there. Added big here. Probably shouldn't have. It looks like I'm going to get smoked. Buyers are coming in here a little bit. I'm going to have to bail on this if I can get out. Trying to get out break even. It's fighting here, but I think it's going to snap lower. We're getting green on the tape, which is giving me a little bit of hope. Taking a lot of risk here. Bid came up there. We could get a short pinch here. Changing my perspective a little bit. This looks like a change of direction on the 5-minute chart and the 1 minute. But I know how this thing operates. It pops up and then it drops out. Like a little stupid little deadbeat. I like the way the 5-minute was looking there a little bit. Now it's looking a little shaky. I'm gonna try to hold it. I like how this 1 minute looks, but we're hitting resistance here. I'm bailing. Took too long. I don't know. What can you do? You know, the trade zero level 2, it's not bad. You get what you pay for. Still watching SPRC for a 5-minute rebound. I do see Lunar going. This thing's kind of a grinder, though. It's not a very fun one. $2,000. I had $3K on this, and then I messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna probably take a pass on meds. Maybe a dip on this. I kind of like this double bottom we have. Kind of a curl here. Could indicate a curl maybe to 582. We'll see. See what it wants to do right here. I think it's going to dip here. Green on the tape. I'm going to do 5,000 there. Looking for that breakout. This has got to go more. Not? You kidding me? Just stay in it. Any other day that would have ripped. I'm gonna stay in it because this might get support. It's I can tell you right now, it's in critical condition. But I think it's gonna grind. Seems like there's like some big players involved. There we go. As soon as we start getting volume in it and it rips, I'm selling. I should probably be selling right now. Look at that. I'm selling for pennies on the dollar. 40, 40, 41, 41, 45. Sold for pennies. This one ain't all that fun to trade either. But we can try it. This thing feels like a choppy mess. I don't know. I don't know what the resumption on meds is. I'm not getting a resumption price on Trade Zero. Ah, look how high I filled. There we go. Possible volume increase here. Oh, shit. Brutal. Gotta dump. Gotta dump. Holy crap. Brutal. Yeah, this is like complete polar opposite of last week. I keep trying to hold for a bigger rip. We're not getting any big rips. It's just not happening. Wow. It is from 535 up to 576 technically. Wow. Maybe I should just take my 2000 and walk away. The spreads are getting just even goofier and goofier. Lunar's ridiculous. Meds halted down. When's the resumption on meds? Maybe it will bounce back up off the lows. Nothing. Anybody got a resumption price on meds? Well, SVRC, it's been fun, but I added big here for the break a high day. I want that break at 990. Selling right on the break at 990. That's the idea. There's 500 bucks. It's going to maybe do the whole dollar break here, but 34,000 shares for sale. $50,000. Should be resuming here shortly. $11.57. I think it resumes here in like a second. I thought. Is it a 15-minute halt? I have and still continue to preach abstinence from halts. This thing likes to bounce off the lows for a few seconds and then you can maybe get it filled. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's happening. Yeah, SBRC is done. That's too bad. I got $2,600. RT stuck in halt down in meds. Yeah. Well, I'm not surprised. They do like those halt trades. You know. Oh my gosh. I gotta fix the sewer after this. It's backed up again. So I'll be going to Home Depot, getting the snake. Yeah, you're gonna be doing it. I'm not doing it. Oh, you piece of crap. Can't you give us a high day break, buddy? No, that's falling apart. Lost $100 there. Luna. Really? There we go. This thing feels like a high float. I made some of my money back. Well, okay, so what'd you say the resumption's at? 1060? 10 on meds now? No. How many people are stuck in the halt down? Let's do a poll. Are you stuck in halt? $23,000 there at 1009. This thing is like shaky AF. If this 1 minute green candle holds, I'll look for the next green candle. Oh, look at that. Come on. I have to bail on that with a huge loss. Frick. And now it puts in a bottoming tail. Shoot. I think we'll get the break at 1024 here. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not. I'm going out break even. It just seems to have lost steam right here. Oh, ain't that just annoying? That thing's a pain in the butt. I'm just gonna take it. This thing's a pain in the butt. It's like this. This has got to be a high float. What's the float on this? Lunar. I don't think it's a high float, but sure as heck feels like one. What's 1069? Now I'm forgetting these daily levels. Oh, that is a daily level. 1069. This thing loves to drop. Like that. Up to 1069 is my target. Freaking heck, I gotta bail. Have to bail. This thing is just a pain. Ah. I was trying to see if I could get into a a scalping rhythm there. This doesn't prove to be very easy. There we go. Give me a dip. We had a little dip there. I think that was all we're going to get. There's the breakthrough 69. Dip. It's not the best fills on this one. 1080, halt up, but don't know. Ah. I accidentally double clicked there, so I had to bail on those trades. Looks like we might break out here. I don't know. It's a little shaky. Got in a little late there. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit of resistance up here. I'm starting to fumble my orders too. $200 on meds right there. Meds has really popped up nicely there. Are you kidding me? Possible double top here. Ah, shoot. Got smoked. Got smoked. That sucks. I thought it was going to be a double top, but I thought we'd break through it anyways. That's annoying. All for it to come right back up again. Oh, shoot. I'm getting out of rhythm. Oh, man. See if we get a breakout here. Oh, wow. Taking that. That's a nice win. Halt up is 12. $11.36. It goes up a lot higher than $11.36. $11.80. 12.04 is a halt. It's not bad. It's starting to actually heat up now a little bit. That might be the top there in that one. Watching SBRC. Nah, I probably. Oh. I think we might get a rebound on this one. We have a nice bid. It's a little sketchy. If I could get out with 200 bucks, I would, but I'm probably not going to be able to. There we go. Start putting orders up on the ask. See if I can get some profit locked in. Volume is increasing here. Should probably get back over to Lunar. I'm bailing on that, going back over to Lunar. That was a really nice bottoming tail there. Now watch me mess up Lunar. Oh, no, 2,700 is too much for this one. Took this 8 cents out of there. Ah, shoot. I gotta cut it. Brutal. This is going. Keep an eye on this one here. You want to go to the horse show again today? What are you doing? You are? Yeah, I should have held that. Should have held that. Idiot. What time are you going to work? No, this thing has gone up quite a bit. Possible breakout here. Trying to get my order to fill, bro. Yeah, big seller. This bid's probably gonna drop out. Let me go back over here. What's going on here? Yeah, I messed up on that too. Hmm. Wait, what time are you going to school? Hmm. Gotta cut it. False breakout. Oh. It's very frustrating, this one. I guess I'm not totally surprised. How many orders do I have? 175 orders. Okay. Oh, that's scary. Um, that's not the text you want to receive. So, despite what it appears, we're not able to really milk it on this one super well. A little bit of lag. This one should give us a little bit of a move. Hitting some resistance here. That was a weird drop there, so I'm going to just cut it. Huh. I don't know, guys. I got 3.4 on the day. I feel like we can get a little bit more out of Lunar here, potentially. But I'm also starting to lose interest. We kind of had our big breakouts already. Possible breakout here. Gotta cut that. Rejected. You know, you'd think that would go. You would think that would go. It didn't. So I think at the highs in this one, I had 1,200. Taking even a bigger loss there. Trying to catch these dang bottoms. It's not hard to get 10 cents here, but it's also not hard to lose 10 cents. That's too bad. So it's about $800 on Lunar before that fell apart. SPRC. No volume. Looking at the 5-minute. Meds. Oh, wow. $79 likes, guys. We're close to the 100. Lunar Forexillion. Yeah. Farmer, is that the way to show how much cents you earn on Lunar? Is there a way to show how much cents you earn on Lunar? Not that I know of. I think I know what you're talking about, but I'm not so sure. Actually, well, there is, I think, on here, but not on the price ladder, I don't think. Could be wrong. I'm an idiot. I'm rushing into these trades. I gotta cut it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Okay, now I'm triggered. I'm gonna get my money back on this, one way or another. I want my money back. One way or another, I'm getting my money back on this stupid thing. I could see this ripping. This is I'm probably doing some revenge trading here. I gotta cut that. Taking a $30 loss there. Okay, SPRC. Okay, it seems to me I'm sort of losing a little bit of Oh, can you estimate it? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I would say about 10 to 15. 10 would probably be my average winner, maybe 20. Not a huge amount. Okay, Lunar. I'm gonna get my money back on this stupid thing. That's my estimate, Jingling. I think it's probably about 10. With a couple 20-cent wins. 30-cent win on it would be huge. That'd be a huge win. You know? It'd be huge. We got a W pattern here. I'm bailing there at 1070. That gives me some money back. Should probably hold, but I don't know. I don't know if I can trust this thing. It's just a lot of resistance here. Sure enough, I should have held. Gosh darn. I had the right trade. Now I'm getting in too high again.